this video, I'm going to explain to all of you about how to make a luxury side table. Okay, first of all, we have to make a basic shape with a rotated rectangle. Start from here, and then we can set size 400 and 400 millimeter. Okay, and then we have to push it up around 40 millimeter. We can make group, and then we can deactivate this shadow first. Okay, we can move and press Ctrl to duplicate it, then we can place on above 450 millimeter. Okay, and then we have to make the support, but we can just select this line anyway. Okay, you can see about it. So we have to offset it inside around 5 millimeter only. Okay. So then we can push it to the, I'm sorry, we can select it. Okay, we can offset it, we can select it, and then we can offset it inside. I'm sorry. Okay, maybe we can use it and offset it inside around 5 millimeter. So then we have to push it to the another position around 50 millimeter. Okay, okay, so it's getting complicated. Sorry. Okay, so we can just make the support only. Okay, we have to make the line and then place on this position. Okay, then we can place on this position. Okay, so then we have to offset it outside around 5 millimeter only. Then we can erase. So and then we have to push it to the back around 50 millimeter. Then we can make a group. So and then we can make it component, create. So then we have to move and press Ctrl to duplicate it to the another side. Then we can set the dark color over there in this table, and then we can set the luxury color. We can use this color, and we can place this color. Then we can adjust with the luxury color of it. Maybe we can use this. Okay, and then we can place this color. Okay, we can make sure this is appear semi bronze color or rose gold or gold color anyway, just something like this. Okay, I think it's enough. I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you, and maybe I want to set the distance or measurement about it, so you can follow this step to by yourself anyway for making this luxury side table. Okay, I will give the dimension. Okay, just something like this, and just wait for my next video. Thank you.